Well, hello, Chi-tastic people. Today, I'm here to talk to you a little bit about the Chi 2022 Allyship initiatives. My name is Rina Wehbe, and thank you so much for engaging with this content. Allyship just starts with us caring. So let's talk about some of the initiatives for allyship this year. So continuing from our initiative in 2021, we're continuing the fireside chat. The fireside chat is your opportunity to come and listen to a diverse set of panelists talk about allyship and what it means in both industry and academia as it relates to our community, say Chi. So please join us on Wednesday at 2:15 to 3:30 New Orleans time, either in person or online. You'll have a chance to ask questions on the hub, and also please tweet at the Chi social media team if you want to talk more about allyship and have some more questions. We would love to get your engagement. If you're thinking to yourself, oh no, I don't really know the concepts of allyship, or I don't know if I really understood them, we've presented an update to the Allyship crash course on YouTube. It is a curated list of videos from the original organizations which produce these sort of socially aware content and do this kind of work. So we can still support them by watching their YouTube clips and get that information right from the source. What are people doing today to support their allies all across the board in company, to support their friends in academia, to support your grad students or your students that are taking your quizzes, your exam, your courses? Speaking of quizzes and exams, we also made a quiz this year, brand new, to kind of get you to test what do you really understand about allyship? Do you have a perfect score on this test? Let us know by filling out the completion reporting Google form. Of course, where would I be without my allies? So I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who helped put this content together. Do you have feedback for me about the crash course, the quiz, or the fireside chat? I'd love to hear it. Please email me at rina.wehbe@dal.ca. Thanks again for taking this course, for watching these videos, and for caring about allyship. We'll see you at Chi.